From decoding the secrets of the cosmos to driving revolutionary advances in medicine, agriculture, climate sciences, and energy management, India's supercomputers journey represent the pinnacle of technological innovation, propelling us into the new paths of modern progress. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the National Supercomputing Mission is being jointly steered by MIT and DST, executed by C-DAC and IISc, carrying forward the legacy of Atmanirbhar Bharat under Phase 3 of NSM.
सुपर कंप्यूटिंग सेंटर परम शिवाय की शुरुआत से नेशनल सुपर कंप्यूटिंग मिशन को गति मिलेगी।
C-DAC is establishing PARAM RUDRA state-of-the-art supercomputing systems across the country. These systems are based on Rudra servers, designed, developed and manufactured in India. C-DAC has deployed a 3 petaflop supercomputing system at Inter-University Accelerator Center, Delhi with 650 Rudra servers. This facility will support research in medical treatments, energy production, environmental monitoring and many other related domains and facilitate researchers of more than 350 universities and institutions under IUAC. The Giant Metrewave Radio Telescope (GMRT) in Maharashtra, operated by the National Center for Radio Astrophysics (NCRA), is one of the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescopes. C-DAC has commissioned a 1 petaflop PARAM RUDRA supercomputing system equipped with GPUs enhancing GMRT's sensitivity to low and mid-radio frequencies, enabling advanced studies in radio astronomy and the interstellar medium. An 838 teraflops PARAM RUDRA supercomputer at SN Bose National Center of Basic Sciences, Kolkata features 180 Rudra servers, facilitating researchers to address complex problems like material science, earth science, high-energy physics, cosmology, and astrophysics. It also serves a broad range of users from various premier research institutes in and around Kolkata. These 3 PARAM RUDRA facilities are powered by C-DAC's system software stack, providing easy provisioning, advanced real-time monitoring and management. This commences a new chapter towards self-reliance in high-performance computing, ultimately leading to exascale. Supercomputers used for advanced research and data analytics can significantly impact the agricultural sector. By leveraging these powerful NSM systems, researchers can develop advanced seeds, improve fertilizers, and enhance soil quality. Supercomputing also enables more accurate weather forecasting, helping farmers make informed decisions. These advancements ultimately boost crop yields, optimize resource usage, and increase farmers' incomes, driving growth and sustainability in agriculture. India has pole vaulted in HPC technologies. This is the journey of India's supercomputers, a story of innovation, resilience, and a future filled with limitless possibilities in solving grand challenge problems, thereby enhancing the quality of research for the benefit of mankind. NSM proudly announces the launch of its first in the series of indigenously designed, developed and manufactured in India supercomputers. Rudra, Hamara Sankalp, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vikasit Bharat.